If you have a budget of 2.6 lakh rupees and want a gaming PC that looks amazing, then just look at this PC build.
Starting with Thermaltake View 51 ARGB case, with which we have used ROG Z790H gaming Wi-Fi motherboard for our main components like Intel i7-14700K and the killer RTX 4080 Super with 16GB of VRAM, which is an ORS Master Edition which comes with an cracking egg animation. No compromises in this build as we have used 32GB of RAM which is running at 6000 MHz and 1TB of SSD for insane speeds. This PC is going to be a flamethrower, so we have used H150 360mm liquid cooler and using a Deepcool PX 1000W gold fully modular SMPS, which is very important to save your components from any electrical fluctuations. Follow us for more such amazing builds.